Transport in Shona and Ndebele. Let's go. Motokari, imota, bhazi, ibhasi, bhasikoro, ibhayisikili, ndege, indizamtshina, mugwagwa, umgwaqo, chitima, isitimela, mutshayeli, umtshayeli, rwendo, uhambo. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with someone who's learning Shona, Ndebele, and don't forget to repost.